Hey everyone, I wanted to talk about this Vevor Mechanics Stool. This was given to me to test and review. I was pretty excited about it because I do a lot of work on my own car. This has many great features. First off, it's very lightweight, so you can carry it anywhere you want. It has 360-degree swivel wheels, so it glides really nice in my garage. It also rolls pretty good on my asphalt driveway. As you know, asphalt driveways are a little bumpier, but these wheels roll pretty good on that as well. You can use it for anything where you need to be low to the ground and be able to roll back and forth. Starting from the top to the bottom, this has a nice thick cushion, comfortable seat. It's kind of curved. The cover zips off so you can clean it if you need to. It has these storage trays that slide out nice and easily. You can organize them in there. You can put any kind of lubrication, bolts, nuts, pliers, any kind of tools in there that you need. Kind of a duplicate setup on the other side. You just pull it out if you need to, organize it the way you want. Also on the front here, it has this pull-out storage tray, a little bigger and a little deeper, so you can put anything you want in there. The wheels also lock if you need it to lock. This is really easy to put together. All you need to do is put the wheels on by screwing a bolt on, and the wheels went on to these metal rails that you connected to the seat itself. So I actually had my son do it, and it only took him about 15 minutes to put it together. This is strong and can seat about 300 pounds, so very durable. And that pretty much covers everything. I really like this mechanics stool. Great for your home or garage or your workshop. I hope this review is helpful. Thanks for watching.